Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick little review on and an unboxing on a vlogging tool. I'm only looking at my phone because I forgot the name of it. It's been a long time, but I wanted to open it with you guys. Okay, so this is called an OUTAD. O-U-T-A-D. OUTAD. Okay. Note to people who make products, make the names of your companies easy for people to pronounce and for people to remember. Therefore, they think about you next time they go to order. Anyway, so the OUTAD foldable handheld gimbal stabilizer with expandable Bluetooth selfie stick and tripod. Eliminate shake to keep your video smooth for smartphones, vlog, YouTuber live videos, and TikToks. So that's what it's for, and I'll put a picture of it up on the screen. This is the box it came in. So if you guys have been following me for a while, I like to do vlogs, you know, where you're out in the world, walking and things like that. And I'm not gonna lie, I try my best to, you know, hold the camera, walk around. I don't do like jerky movements, but even then, it is so hard to not make it too shaky when you're watching the video back. I have made myself sick before. When I go back and try to edit my videos. So what I'll do, a tip for that, when you're too jerky, maybe you're making a little sick while you're editing your videos, put it slow, make that part slower, or just take it out altogether. But yeah, I can't keep doing that. I can't get the hang of doing it without this. And if you guys know, gimbals are super expensive. So I'm going the cheap route. Can't help it. Okay, this is the box. This is the product. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, I got the one in white or gray, I believe. It says stabilizer L08 Smart Stable, and this is for phones. I don't know if you guys saw my review on my camera, on the Canon. It's doing really well. I think it's at 25,000 views or something like that. Give me 1 second. Okay, bye. Okay. Let's open her up. Oh. You guys see it first. Okay, I got the white one, just a little more stylish. Oh, what I was saying, I have my Canon. I did the review on that, but it's too big for vlogging. There's no way, maybe a short vlog, yeah. But there's no way I'm going to be carrying it around and then I'll hang it on my neck or put it in my bag. It's kind of heavy. It's a bigger camera. It's not super big and heavy, but when it's vlogging, you got to use my phone. And I did upgrade my phone. I do have an iPhone 11 now. I got it just recently. As soon as I got it, the iPhone 12 came out. So that's why I don't have the 12, because I couldn't wait, I guess. Okay. There's more in this box. And it's just a little, probably charger cord or something, and instructions, nothing else. Okay, so here's the instructions. It says it has a remote control. You know what? We're gonna wing it for the video. So here's the little thingy thing. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I guess you kind of walk around like this, put your phone in it. I'm making a video. I think you already know that.
We're going back in the room soon. Timmy has to get dressed real quick.
Oh. This is the selfie stick portion. And the little instruction said that this has something to do with the remote. Oh, it does. Like button. Okay. Okay, it slides back in there. This piece is a tripod. So how you do it, I don't know. Open outwards. I think that just means this. Like, I can't do it because of my nails. So yeah, that was it. Oh, cool. So now it's a little tripod. Cute. You have to have it up, seems like, for the tripod, at least to here, because once you push, okay, so it could go down to here. Once you push this down, it's gonna come down right here. But that's the tripod portion. That's really cute. So I was thinking, like, when you get tired of holding it, or maybe you're walking and then you get to a place and you want to do a still film, you can set it up on a shelf or table and then record yourself doing whatever. But let's try it now. Gotta take my case out. Gimbal or whatever. Okay, phone is in, and then if you want to hold it this way or this way, there's a button here to lock it. Vloggers, as you know, you have to hold your phone sideways. There's no other way. Okay, so now it's not shaking, it's not moving, and now we've got a vlogging camera. Hi, I'm Corrie. Okay. And of course, you know, if you wanted to film the other way, you can flip your phone around however you want to do it. But yeah, super cute, super cool. I'll let you guys know how I like it. Again, there's this button here and it says for the selfie stick, so I'm assuming that's for, like, if you have your phone out like that and you have it set right, you can click this for your pictures. Click, click. I don't know how to do that yet, and I'm not gonna make this video too long, but you know, I'll let you guys know how it goes. This is really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, and there is a charger. It goes right here, so you'll plug that in, switch this into a back piece of a charger. I don't know what they're called. That's what we call them around here, the back piece. So, and then it will charge. So yeah, that's how you'll use the selfie camera part. So I think this is really cool. I'm gonna be using this for, you know, when I go shopping, when I'm doing, like, you know, walking around videos, when I walk the Vegas streets, you know what I mean? I might hit up a couple casinos for you guys. We'll see. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you do not miss when I finally get to put this bad boy in use. And thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.